Okay, so I am officially finished with this painting. Thank you all for being here on the ride. Y'all, this wig is giving me such a hard time. But anyway, I'm finished with this painting. I just celebrated reaching 100 followers on TikTok. With more coming, more of my aliens are coming. And we welcome everybody. So I just want to say thank you to everybody who has been watching my videos. And I also hope you enjoy my vlog to New Orleans. We had so much fun down there. We caught a parade, an Easter parade. I ate all of the beignets that I could possibly eat. And we just relaxed and enjoyed ourselves. So I hope you enjoyed those clips that I added in. Yep. Thank you, and see you next week. So I'm finally finished with this painting. Here I am just signing my name with my signature JG and adding the date on there. I usually do month and year. So let me know how y'all think it turned out. I would love to know any names that you have for it. And we're getting ready to start the vlog. Okay, so every time we go, I just love to get this scene right here. On our way into New Orleans, all of the nice water. First stop is always Cafe Du Monde. And here are some clips of our Airbnb. It was really, really nice. The only thing that I wish that they had was a TV in this room right here, because there was a TV in the living room, but you know, we like to watch TV at night. So I don't know why they didn't have one, but they need to fix that. And so we didn't do much the first night, but the next day, we went down to the French Quarter. And here's the cathedral. I was so upset that I couldn't go in the cathedral. Every time we go, I just cannot get in there. But it was a good reason this time because the Pope had passed. So RIP to him. And this is the view from one of my favorite restaurants there, Landry's. I like a Landry's anywhere, child. And those shrimp were so good. And then when we were sitting there, I noticed it was water back there. So I'm like, hey, we got to go look at the water. And there's my fiance working out. He loves to work out. The water was pretty, but it was raining, so. So they were throwing carrots at the Easter parade, and we got this big boy. And here's a cigar bar that we stopped in. Boy, we had a time in there. And we ended with beignets. Thanks, y'all.